birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hey guys, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome to the vlog. Yes sis, I'm doing a vlog, and I've attempted vlogging before last year on my travels. Last year on my vacation I tried to vlog. I edited a video. It just didn't meet the cut because it was just not up to my standards, but I'm here again. And if you're new, I'm Shakera. Go ahead and subscribe, and it's a vlog, and why not watch it? I need you guys to watch it from start to finish because I need y'all feedback on how I did. And right now it's currently 8:50. My baby's up, and usually she's my alarm clock because I'm a tired mom and I sleep in. So if she sleeps until midday, I'm asleep. She's looking at me like, Mom, what the hell are you doing? So yeah, normally when I wake up, or when she wakes up, I just start her day. And that's my favorite part of my day, is getting her day started. So right now I'm about to make her a bottle, and at the moment I'm giving her formula because my milk supply is low. So I know a lot of people, they get in their feelings when you say formula for your baby, but this is my baby, and I use Enfamil. This Enfamil because she has sensitive tummy. So yeah. So I'm gonna put you guys down because I can't hold you. So this little girl was not having it. Like, she was being super fussy, so I had to pick her up. So now I'm just one-handing it. And as you can see, I'm just putting 3 scoops of formula and 1.5 scoop of the cereal. And the cereal I only give her in the morning so she could have a full stomach, because after she get her bath, that's when she take the longest nap. So I want her to have a nice full stomach. Not too full, but you know what I mean. So I don't know if I mentioned, but she's 3 months. So technically she passed the newborn phase. But to me, she's still a newborn. Like, who's telling me what? So weird thing that I do is I give her a bath inside the room on the bed. And why I don't give her baths in the shower is because my bed is high enough. So I don't have to bend my back. I don't have to go on my knees or any of that. So I'm just doing what works for me. So don't judge me, okay? I just put some cartoons on, keep her entertained, and she's gonna be nice and clean at the end of the day, because that's all that matters.
And I have an idea how. Perfect. This should make him come out. Yay! New boyfriend! Yup, let's hide. Okay!
And I have some, I guess she wanna vlog. Her dad's feeding her, and after she takes this bottle, she's gonna knock the hell out. She only had an ounce, but I'm just gonna save this for her next feed. And if it passed over 4 hours, I tend to throw it out, so yeah. And then I have her bottles to sanitize. some eggs. What the hell? And I'm gonna eat that with some fried dumpling. So I did her laundry last night, and I'm just gonna fold these up and pack them away. And I also got me and my boyfriend's laundry to pack away. And I don't know why, but baby had the most dirty clothes and they don't do anything. So my sister and I are about to go grab some food and drinks, and I'm super excited because me time is needed. And also, I didn't even wear no makeup. I just did my eyebrows, I have on lip gloss and mascara, and that's about it. Well, technically that's makeup, but I didn't do a full face makeup. So I don't have on no foundation, no concealer, nothing like that. This is just skin, sis. Skin. I'm so sick of these masks. So we just arrived at the restaurant, and unfortunately we have to wait for an hour. Like, that's crazy, but we can wait. We ain't got shit to do, so
I'm still have on mask.
my sister and I decided to just get some pedicure to kill time because we got nothing better to do, and outside is freezing and we're not about to stand outside. So I made a boo-boo and she's fixing it. And that's my ugly sister. I didn't introduce her. Her name's China. She ain't from China though. And she ain't look Chinese. I don't know what my mom was thinking. But that's not her real name. we was turning that bitch. Everyone was sitting there boring, like, the fuck? Like, we didn't just come here to eat, we come here to turn the fuck up, okay? You have math for racist? So I'm finally home and I enjoyed myself. Like, me and my sister had that bitch turned the fuck up. And I love when I go to a restaurant, they have good music. And tonight was just poppin', okay? And I'm gonna end the vlog here. I wanted to show you guys like what I do at night, but I came home pretty late, so her father already did majority of the things. All I have to do is feed her right now and put her to bed, and that's it. And I won't vlog that because I'm super tired and mommy needs to sleep, and I haven't slept since 6:30 this morning. I haven't slept, so I'm beat. So I want you guys to give this vlog a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and comment down below. Like, you know, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, I gotta go now because my baby needs me. Bye.
Run up on it, you know I'm on it.